Hey, I'm Melissa Maker, an accidental cleaning expert and founder of Makers Clean. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through my 10-minute morning kitchen reset routine. And let me tell you why this one's important, because if my kitchen is not reset every morning, by the end of the day, it's upside down. And then it's a lot of work when I'm really tired. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I kind of set myself up for success in a very little amount of time each day. So I'm going to be using the 3-wave cleaning system, and I've got an ebook link for you down below if you want to learn more about it. But when I'm in the kitchen, the first thing I always do is unload the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, this means hand washing any of your dishes just to get your sink nice and clean. Without a clean sink, it's really hard to clean the rest of your kitchen. So wave 1 entails me just walking around the kitchen in a clockwise manner, collecting everything that is out of place. I'm gonna centralize it right here on the counter and then deal with it. That way I'm not running around the kitchen like a chicken with my head cut off, or if you're a vegan, like a carrot with its head cut off. So at the beginning of wave 2, it's all about pre-treating anything that's going to require a lot of extra cleaning time and bringing everything that needs to be cleaned over to a centralized location. Now I'm going to get started with wave 2, which is where the cleaning of the kitchen takes place. And you'll see that all of the surfaces here are prepped and primed and ready for cleaning. So they're clear, but they still have dirt on them. Plus I have all the dishes that I need to deal with as well. Now to do this wave of cleaning, I'm using the Makers Clean kitchen cloth, which is designed to replace paper towels and other disposable cleaning cloths. They are washable and reusable, unlike paper towels or other disposable products. They rinse clean and they dry fast. I've grabbed a small spatula to help scrape away any built-up food before I load items into the dishwasher. Wherever possible, I try not to run water and rinse dishes before they go into the dishwasher. Then I move on to hand washing anything that needs to be hand washed. I'm just using dish soap and a Makers Clean scrub cloth. Does anyone else find cleaning reusable straws an extremely annoying job? I don't know, I like using them, but my gosh, I feel like it's a waste of time. So now that the dishes are done, the counters are essentially clean and I can get to work cleaning the actual surfaces. Now you can dial this up or dial it down as much as you want. You can include all of the cabinet fronts, both upper and lower, or you can just do your horizontal surfaces, which is mostly what I'm going to be focusing on today. So that'll be the counter, the island, the kitchen table, and I'm also going to include my refrigerator because it needs a bit of a polish. And at the end of wave 2, we clean the sink. I'm just using baking soda and dish soap and a Makers Clean scrub cloth. I sort of jumped the gun because I was on such a roll when I finished cleaning the sink, which is the last thing you do in wave 2. And then I just went right to emptying the compost and emptying the garbage. But the start of wave 3 is emptying all garbages, recycling, compost, what have you in that particular room. And then you finish off by cleaning the floors. Now, in my kitchen, we have hardwood. I don't like mopping hardwood too often. It's just not healthy for the floors. I will look and spot clean as needed. I'll mop, say, once a month. But right now, I'm just gonna vacuum the floors and then kind of reassemble the kitchen chairs. And now you know what my daily kitchen reset routine looks like. And that brings me to this common question, which is, how often do you clean out the interior of your fridge? I have to admit, I don't do it as often as I think I should. I know sometimes I will open people's refrigerators and they are just spotless in there. I cannot say the same for myself. I would say maybe I do mine once every 6 months or so, which is crusty now that I'm openly admitting it. But I would love to know what you do in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.